Are you looking to get better at sales, entrepreneurship, networking, and other business type stuff? Well, then I got some videos for you. Welcome to DTV. I'm the D in the title. My name is David J.P. Fisher, but that's a lot. So I picked up the nickname D Fish along the way, and it kind of stuck. I'm a speaker, author, trainer, consultant, coach. Basically, my job is to help people get better at the work they do. And that's what we talk about here on the channel. We aim to put out short, super focused videos that will help you become a better version of yourself. I want to help you become a rock star in your professional life. And that means building skills, attitudes, and mindsets. Now, if you're just looking for rah-rah inspiration, there's a lot of amazing stuff like that here on YouTube. It's just a click away, but that's not what we do. We're here for people that want to work on the strategies and tactics that will move you forward in your career. Motivation is important, but our videos are for those of you who are like, yeah, I get it. I'm fired up, but what do I do? How do I actually execute on my enthusiasm and excitement? So if you want to be in the know and develop top-level skills to get top-level results, hit the subscribe button and come along on the ride with us. I'm looking forward to having you.